Once again I welcome you in another class related to stress management. We have the topic right now, stress management, where first we'll go ahead with the definition of stress. What is the meaning of stress? Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. Feeling of emotional and physical tension, sometimes we don't able to understand that this is the stress. But we started getting certain like you can say physical problems and emotional problems, then it get to know that this is the actual disease is the stress. So here is that first of all we get to know that about the definition. We have understood what is the stress. It is about the feeling of emotional or physical tension. Now how do the stress affects? As I said, sometimes people get to know after the like physical some disease, they get like physically they get more blood pressure or headache or something like that, then they get able to understand something is happening, and then they actually realize that what is the problem. So because of overthinking, maybe we get a headache, the blood pressure rises because we can't handle the stress whatever it is coming up to us. The next is the emotional effects. What are the emotional effects of this stress? It start giving us depression, sadness, going into the like sitting aloof, alone, going into the complete darkness in the mind, no good thoughts, no positivity is there, complete negativity. And then by sometimes because of this stress, people get to like get the suicidal thoughts. They want to suicide, they want to die because they can't handle the depression. So many cases are there. Recently it had happened. Many cases, if you just get into, I hope when you are listening to this depression point and the suicides, you can able to relate many of the cases. Even the students are doing the suicide because of scoring the less marks, because they are getting depressed, because they are getting the pressure from the family or from the surroundings or from the any places. They get the pressure to score better, to score well, and that's why it is happening that if they can't able to handle that stress, they feel they are going into depression and they are suiciding. So they are doing the suicide. So the first thing is that first of all you have to understand that why this is the stress coming up to you and what is the effect of this stress. You know, sometimes this emotional stress takes a long time to go. Emotional effects like depression, anxiety, panic attacks, suddenly panic attacks, suddenly you got the fear, suddenly you start feeling like something bad is happening, lose the confidence in your own self. Phobias, these things, when they get phobias means the fear of anything, fear of death to fear of losing something, fear of losing the money or fear of losing anything, any fears, many fears are there, many phobias are there. So if a person is in stress, emotionally it get into some of the phobia which is hidden inside his subconscious mind comes out. So that is actually, these things takes lot of time to go. It needs a proper treatment, therapy, continuous. The person first of all has to understand that I am suffering with so and so problem. The main problem is the stress. After getting these problems, they understand that this is the main problem. So before only, when you start feeling some tension, first of all start taking few steps to manage the stress rather than going to these levels. You know, sometimes we get cure, the physical effects get cured with the prescribed tablets of the physicians, of the doctors, general doctors. But what about the emotional effects? It normally takes a long time to cure, and it affects the life of the people, not only the person who is suffering, but the people, those who surround, the surroundings, the people, those who are the loved ones, the trusted ones, they also get affected by this type of the emotional effects of the person who is bearing. So when you get some type of the start of the physical effects or something like that, immediately you have to understand that this maybe I am going to like I'm getting the stress. So what I have to do? The first thing is that I have to manage my stress. What are the certain steps to manage your stress? The first thing is that learn to say no if it's beyond capacity. Don't accept everything whatever it is coming up to you. First understand that whether it's under my limitations, whether can I able to reach to a certain thing, is it under my limits, under my capacity, do I have the ability to perform this task? If yes, then take the responsibility. If not, simply say no, because if you take up the responsibility but it is getting difficult for you to reach to that, you would start getting the stress of reaching to that level, stress of completing the task. So when you get this type of distress, slowly the symptoms arises. So better to avoid this type of first avoid stress. How to avoid? First of all, learn to say no if it is beyond your capacity. The next is that avoid people, situations and conversations that trigger stress. There are certain people in our life who always give some or the other type of distress to us. So just better to avoid that type of the people. It doesn't mean that you have to sit all alone, you have to sit at a certain place or a mountain, that you should not interact with the other people. No, should interact, should talk to the people, should involve in a healthy conversation. But those who drain out your energy, better not to talk to that people, better to avoid those people, those situations and the conversations. The people who normally drained you out mentally by asking you the questions which gives you more stress. So it's better to avoid these people, situations and conversations, because it will trigger the stress, and once you will talk, but the stress will continue for more time. So better to avoid these. The next is share feelings with the loved and the trusted ones. Everybody has a family, friends, best friends. So better to talk to them. Share your feelings, that how you are feeling, how you are now, how much stress you are feeling. Better to disclose to them, better to make them a confident person for you. Then your feelings will be shared by your loved ones and trusted ones. So what would they do? They would suggest you certain ideas, or they will help you to overcome your stress, or you may spend some time outside with some other persons to get the stress out. Outing also can be done. So the loved ones can take care of you. So better to share your feelings rather than keeping yourself and let the feelings, emotions eat your brain. It's better to discuss it out. Next is practice meditation. Best idea to just calm down, sit at one place and totally think of all the natural beauty, everything what you have achieved, the good things, positive things, and just enhance your energy, get your positive energy, more positive energy. So sit in a calm and cool place and practice meditation, or go for swimming. If you love swimming, go for it. Or if you want to draw something, draw it out. Maybe your stress or your frustration, your anger could come out into the drawing. It can give you a relief, attention free mind can come out if you are going for the adopting this type of the skills. Or go for painting. If you are good at or not good at also, you just want to spend some quality time with your own self, just go for painting. Draw it out, wild colors, take it out, whatever the colors you feel like that. It comes out, the whole stress will be out in the painting. You would feel relief and you would feel refresh. So these are the steps which you should follow when you start feeling like I'm taking a stress, or I'm not in a proper mode, or I'm getting some stress from other things. Better to go for this. And the most important is take balanced and nutritious diet. During this stress, when you are feeling stress, when you are not sleeping properly, when you are emotionally drained out, don't take the spicy food, don't take the outside food more. Better to go for the light food which is good for your health, body, mind, everything. So there is a need to take the balanced and nutritious diet. So these things, these steps you should keep it in mind when you are going through some stress, and don't let stress develop certain emotional problems into you. Before getting such a emotional problems, it's better to decide it out, because our life is precious. We have certain things to do in the world. We have taken birth to do certain things in the world. So we are worthy to live. There is no one for whom we can take our life. There is nothing important than our own life. So better to take care of your own self, not only physically but mentally. Mental disorders are becoming quite more right now, and people had the fear to admit. So better to understand your own self and try to overcome all those problems whatever coming up to you. You are a human being. You are the supreme creations. You can do everything. So go ahead with that, have the abilities, have the confidence in your own abilities and your own potentials, and manage your stress in a better way. First, don't take the stress. If suppose the stress is coming for you, or something is giving the stress, better to manage the stress by following these steps. So I hope you have understood. In the next class, we'll meet with the another concept. By the time, take care. Have a nice day.